Need to replace the packing? No problem. Our VB130 PKG is a hydro-balanced cartridge that directly replaces the OEM packing. It's designed for reliability, handling close-off pressure up to 100 psi. It is also important to note that for low-pressure steam, you can use our V130 PKG-V. One of Spartan's biggest advantages is that all of our zone valve actuators fit the V100 series. If the actuator is failing, just remove it and pop on a Spartan actuator like the ME7140. Simple as that. That's it for today's episode of the Spartan's Retrofit series. Stay tuned, we've got more retrofits coming your way.